हेलो, आता है क्या? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके. Okay, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So yesterday we have started the linker chapter. We have discussed a lot, and only I think 1 to 2 points are remaining. So in short, I will take a brief review what we have covered yesterday. So yesterday we have started with the linking and requirement concept. First, we understand what is the steps of execution. That is how the uh, high-level language program translated into the low-level language. So different stages through which this execution is performed. So in the first stage, this high-level language program is translated by the translator into the object module, and it is passed to the linker as the input. Linker will take the object module as the input and link all the object module that is required for the execution purpose, and it will form a binary program. So basically, linker has the two tasks. One is the linking the program, and second is the relocation. So by doing that, it will form a binary program. It will hand over to the loader. So it is a task of loader to take that binary program and load for the execution from this into the main memory, and there the execution can be started. So these are the steps for the program execution. Some technologies that we have seen, what is meant by translation time addresses, linked addresses, load time addresses. So in the simple word, the translation time address, the address which is provided by the translator. Similarly, linked addresses provided by the linker, and load time address, that is the addresses provided by loader. Translator origin address, origin that is mentioned by the translator. We have seen in the assembler, if the instruction are start 500, then 500 will be the translated origin. Similarly, linked origin, that is the origin, it is provided by the linker, and load origin, that is the address or origin provided by the loader when it is loading the program for execution. Then we have seen that the origin may be changed, because if the program, if there is a same set of touch addresses using by the different object modules, then in that case we need to change the origin. That is the reason, and another reason, that is it is the requirement by the OS, that is the execution of the program from the specific area of memory. So according to that, we have seen the relocation.
Sir, you are not audible.
Audible now?
Yes, sir, audible.
Okay. Okay, so in the relocation and linking subject, we have seen program relocation, in which we have discussed about the address sensitive program. The address sensitive program, in which the address which is required to be relocation that are present. Then the program relocation, it is the process of modifying the addresses that is used in the address sensitive instruction. And to perform this one, we have the formula, that is the relocation factor. So the relocation factor we can calculate by using the formula linked origin minus translator origin. That is L underscore origin minus T underscore origin. And similarly, also we can find out the symbol address by using the formula, that is if LCM equal to T, that is the translated symbol address plus relocation factor. Then we have seen the instruction requiring relocation, in which the instruction, that is the it's a set of instruction that perform the relocation in program P. That is, in the program, some of the instruction require the relocation, whereas some of the instruction which doesn't contain the address sensitive, that it is the instruction not contains the addresses. Though in that case, it's not required to relocate that. So the instruction requiring relocation, that is the instruction set of instruction that perform the relocation in program P. So steps to perform this one is the calculate relocation factor and add it to the translation time addresses. Then we have to discuss the public definition and external references, which is required for the linking purpose. What is meant by extern and entry statement, that we have seen. So extern, so entry statement, it is the list of public definition, the symbols which is defined in that program itself, whereas the extend statement, it contains the list of symbols to which external references are made. External references, the symbols which are defined in the another program and used in the current program. Also, we have seen the example for it. Also, we have discussed about the object module. So object module, it contains all the information that is necessary to relocate and link the program with the other program. So object module, as we know that it is the output from the translator, and it contains the information which is required for the relocation and linking purpose. So basically, object module has the 4 components: header, program, relocation table, and linking table. So header contains translated origin, size, and execution start address. Program contains the machine language program of the corresponding source program. And relocation table, it describes instruction required relocation. So each entry contains the translated address. And linking table, the table contains the information concerning public definition and external references. Am I audible? Or still any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir, audible.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so in under the design of a linker, one is the algorithm, and second one is the linking algorithm. These algorithms are important from exam point of view, as well as also to clear about the concept of linking. So is it the algorithm clear, or should I once again go through it? Because the algorithm little bit complex one, means somewhat it is difficult to understand. If required, I will explain it again, or if it is clear, then I will go to the last part. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
required?
Repeat, sir.
Okay, well, so relocation algorithm, it is algorithm that is used by the linker to perform the relocation. So as you know that relocation means we are transferring program from one place to the another place. For example, if the translator has given the address as 500, and that is at the location of 500, the program is started, and if the size is 42, then at the 541, the program is ended. But if suppose the linker has given the address as 900, then we have to transfer or relocate that program from the location 500 to the 900. So how the relocation task for the purpose, it uses a relocation algorithm. Okay. So in the relocation algorithm, we will go through the step by step. So in the first step, the link origin will be assigned by the linker by using the linker command to the variable program link origin. Okay, so for example, suppose if the linker has provided the address as 900, then in the program link origin, in the second step, now this linking is performed among the different object module. Then for each module, this all A, B, C, D, E, F steps will be repeated. So suppose I am taking one of the object module, first object module. Okay, first object module I am taking. So in that case, starting with the step A, translated origin of object module is stored in the T underscore origin. And as we know that our translated origin is the 500. Okay, in our example, the translated origin of object module is 500. So T underscore origin will contain the 500. Okay. Program link origin 900, T underscore origin 500, and OM size, that is the object module size, it is the 42. That is defined. Then calculate relocation factor. Then in that case, the relocation factor will be calculated as program linked origin minus T underscore origin. That means 900 minus 500, it will be 400. So relocation factor will contain value as 400. Okay, I'm taking an example. Then after that, read the machine language program in work area. Reading this machine language program in work underscore area. That is another area, or that is another part of memory where we are reading this program. So for the simplicity, here we have considered that the work area is, let the address of work area is the 300. Okay, means at the 300 we are reading this whole program. That is our next step. And after that, read relook tab of object module. You know that in the relook tab, we have the translated address of address sensitive instruction. And in the program, this is the program. Okay, program I will, yeah. So this is our program. In the program A, because you want to calculate the relocation address for this A. And as well as we have the second address sensitive instruction as 540. So in this, the where is it? Okay. Yes. So read the linking table for the object module. Then for each link tab entry. Now in the given to understand with the help of program. Okay. Give me a second. I will change the sharing. and share the other link or the other PDF file. So are you able to looking that file on my screen? I'm sharing the another PDF. So are you able to see linking requirement heading? That okay, so consider that I have the program P, that is our first program, and I have the second program, that is the program Q, and I want to link these two programs. Okay, that is the case I want to perform. Then in that case, what I'm doing, this is program link. Okay, and this is the relocation. And this is the object module for this program, and this is the relocation table. And in we have two address sensitive instruction here. First is the 500. Yes, it is 500, and second is the 538. Okay, because it is containing the second address sensitive instruction. Okay, rest all we are 00 in our address field. Okay, so in the address field only two instructions are there. One is the instruction at 538, and second is the instruction at 500. So we had first instruction at 500, that is read A, and second instruction at 538, that is the BC branch condition which maintains the address 501. Okay, दोन address आपल्याकडे आहेत, त्यामुळे दोन address sensitive instruction आपल्याकडे आहेत. So entering the relocation table will be the 500 and 538. Okay, and in the listing table we have three symbol alpha, max, and A. Three symbol. A is the public definition type, and other two are external references, which is defined in the another program Q. Okay, is it clear? And when you are performing the relocation, then in the relocation you have to also read this relocation table. That is the case. We are reading table from this object module. So for each entry in the relocation table, we have to enter the relocation table 700 and 38. So what we need to perform while relocation, while we perform the relocating, when we are relocate tab, then for each entry in the relocation tab, what we are doing, we are addressing the relocate tab entry, we are assigning to the translated address. Whatever the address in the relocate tab, we are assigning it to the translated address. Then we are calculating for the address in work area. Okay, वर्क एरिया मध्ये त्याचा ऍड्रेस काय असेल तो आपण इथं कॅल्क्युलेट करतोय. मग त्या केस मध्ये ऍड्रेस ऑफ वर्क एरिया 300 असला तर ओके, इथं आपण ऍज्युम केलाय 300 प्लस ट्रान्सलेटेड ऍड्रेस, व्हॉट एव्हर ट्रान्सलेटेड ऍड्रेस इज दॅट इज द 500. ओके, पहिली इन्स्ट्रक्शन आपली 500 आहे. रिलोक टॅबची पहिली एंट्री किती आहे 500. So translated address origin is the 500. So 500 minus 500 plus 300. So it will be 300. Then add relocation factor to the operand address in the word. Add relocation factor. Relocation factor किती आपला 400. Add it to the word with the address in work area. वर्क एरिया मध्ये आपण ऍज इट इज रीड करून घेतलं. ओके, वर्क एरियामध्ये आपण पूर्ण प्रोग्राम ऍज इट इज रीड करून घेतलाय. रीड करून घेतल्यानंतर आपण ज्या रीड इन्स्ट्रक्शन ही सगळं रीड करून घेतोय. ओके, रीड इन्स्ट्रक्शन ज्यावेळेस आपण रीड करून घेतोय तर ते इन्स्ट्रक्शन ऍज इट इज 540 असा ऍड्रेस तो रीड करून घेईल. ओके, जरी 300 लोकेशनला 540, इट इज 540. It was so in that case, what we are performing here, we are adding relocation factor to that address in work area field, that is 500. That is 500. Is it 500 here? No, it is 540. It is 540. So 540 plus 400, that is the 940, and that will be stored in the address in work area. Okay, so like this you have to calculate the reloc tab entry. Like this you have to calculate the reloc tab entry. पार्ट थोडासा कन्फ्युजिंग आहे. ह्या केसमध्ये आपण काय करतोय की आपण रिलोकेशन टॅब मध्ये आपल्याकडे ज्या आहेत त्या एंट्री तुम्हाला इथं we have the entry in the relocation tab at 538, I think.